Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm so excited. Um, Cara Brandon of Cara Brandon Creations and Julie Freeman Fisher of Dearjuliejulie have collaborated and made a project called 12 Days of Digis. And what they've done is each of them created digitals for 12 days. So 12 pages of digital images to use. And what we're going to do is we're going to take Dearjuliejulie Day 1 along with Cara Brandon's Day 1, and they did assign the days, and we'll be combining them to make stuff. Make all sorts of embellishments for your journal. We can use any of our other supplies, our coffee dyed paper, our bling, our flowers, whatever we want to use. But we need to somehow use some from both pages for each day. And this will go on for 12 days. So let me show you what we've got. This is Cara Brandon's Day 1 and Dearjuliejulie Day 1. So you can see their styles are very different, but I think these will work well together. Cara Brandon's Day 2, so you've got little pockets, and Dearjuliejulie Day 2. So see where Cara's has the two pockets. Here we've got all sorts of cards and little embellishments. So it's going to be fun to work these together. This is Cara Brandon's Day 3, just a full page of collage that we can cut apart and use however we want. And Dearjuliejulie Day 3. It's kind of neat with the big tall Santa Claus. And Cara Brandon's Day 4, where has a little bit more of a woodsy kind of look. And Dearjuliejulie Day 4, which I think works well. It has the little cart and the sort of farmstead with the cart, and here the little barn with the wagon. So I think that's going to be fun. Cara Brandon's Day 7. So all sorts of journal cards. Or, I'm sorry, Day 5. I think I said Day 7. And Dearjuliejulie Day 5. So Day 5 is going to be a card day. Card making day. Cara Brandon's Day 6. So you could use those for belly bands and then all sorts of ephemera. And Dearjuliejulie Day 6. You could actually make another belly band there. I think Cara had mentioned that too. And you've got calendar. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm so excited about this. Cara Brandon's Day 7. And Dearjuliejulie page 7. I love this library pocket. Cara Brandon's Day 8. And Dearjuliejulie Day 8. Cara Brandon's Day 9. Got some candy cane striping going on. And Dearjuliejulie Day 9. Lots of Santas. I really like this one. Cara Brandon's Day 10. Along with Dearjuliejulie Day 10. So we get another library pocket there. Day 11. I think this one's beautiful. A couple of large pockets. And Julie paired that with her day 11 with a couple of really tall tags. So I thought that will be fun. I really like this one too. Day 12 for Cara Brandon. We've got tags and a pocket all in blues. And Julie's day 12. With the blue hues and wintry scenes. So, what we're going to be doing is each day for the first 12 days beginning December 1st, we'll have a video showing what we've made and using the hashtag 12 Days of Digis 2020. I really think this is going to be a lot of fun. We've got several people that will be making YouTube videos. Some of them perhaps not for all 12 days, but this is going to be so much fun to see what everyone comes up with using the same sets of digitals on the same day. We will all be using this one and this one on day 12 to see what everybody comes up with. And I just think that's going to be so much fun. I encourage you to go to Cara Brandon's shop. I'm going to put a link to her 12 days digitals below, and go to Dearjuliejulie shop, Etsy shop. Also, a link to the listing will be below. Get these kits and join us. And if you do, please put them on your social media with the hashtag 12 Days of Digis 2020. And let's see what everybody creates. I think this is going to be, I've said it a million times already, I think this is going to be so much fun and I'm so excited. I hope you come and join us. And until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.